Yo, yo, yo. Look at there, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine. And in this video, I started off just doing some Uber Eats today. That's pretty much what I got going. So anyway, yo, let's get this video started. All right, this is the first pickup. What's going on? My homies everywhere. Let's see. No Uber. Uber for. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Cool. This one was ready. All set to go. Where is this one going? Oh, it's going to 3rd and Folsom down there. Wow, this one is a freaking maze, yo. Gotta go through multiple of these stores. Adventures at the Amazon Go store. I'm getting another Uber Eats order. Let's see if this one's worth it. No, that's like going to Nob Hill, 2 deliveries, $10. That's gonna take a long time. I'd rather not. go to the Amazon store. Cool beans. Today is over for now. Oh my gosh, today was so freaking windy outside, and for the most part, the apps wasn't too popping. Sometimes you work and it's like a crappy day. It's like windy, it's cold, and then guess what? The apps are not really popping off. Like the apps are kind of like lame. And then there's other days you work where like it's a nice day. It's not hot. It's not bright and sunny. It's not crazy windy. And the orders are just coming through like crazy. So today was definitely not that day. Today was the other day. It was like nice outside, it was windy outside, and it was no orders. So now I'm just back home sitting in front of some bikes, chilling. I ordered some tools to work on the Hemiway, so I'll be working on the Hemiway pretty soon. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on for now. I think I'm gonna like hang out here for a little bit. It's like super early. It's like super early. It's not even sunset, you know? I think I'm gonna go meet up with my boo. Maybe we'll grab some food or do something like that. But yeah, today was one of those days, like I wake up early in the morning, I like cut the app on, right? And just to see like what's popping. Like I cut it on at like 7, and I'll just be ready to run out and get an order. But usually it's all these like $5, $7 orders popping up. $7 orders are not bad if it's going close, but like I kind of like them $10 orders, yeah. They're a little bit better on Uber Eats. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on today. Another day on the Ariel rider. I'm gonna have to take this bike out, the KBL. This bike's pretty dope. I'm gonna have to take this one out. So maybe I'll make a video with this one. Ooh, I still got the Uber Eats app on right now. Let's see if am I getting anything? No, I'm not gonna take that one. But I'm ready to run out and go if I see like a $20 order that's like going from Soma to like Soma, or that doesn't usually work like that. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace out, y'all.